Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize device theme on Samsung phone. So let's get to it. First of all, open your settings application on your Samsung phone. Then you're going to select a themes setting, and this is the theme settings, so just tap on it. And these are the themes that we can use for our device. And as you can see that we have to buy the theme first before we use it, but don't worry because we can still use the free theme. We can click on this top option, then we can filter, just click on all right here, then we can select free. Alright, and these are the free theme that we can use, and you just need to select the theme that you like. And to make your phone more aesthetic, I think this theme will be perfect, but it actually depends on your preference. And for me, I'm just going to select this one, so just tap on the theme. Then after that, you can download the theme before you use the theme. So you just need to click on download right here. Then the theme will be downloaded, and you gotta wait for the process right here, guys. Okay, and now the theme has been downloaded. Then we can go back to the preview section. You can click on featured right here, then click on my stuff. Alright, and this is the downloaded theme. And this is the theme that we have just downloaded. Then we can click on the theme to use it. Okay, and we're going to click on apply to apply the theme to our device. Okay, and you have to wait until the process is completed. Alright guys, and now the theme has been applied to our device, and that's how we can customize device theme on Samsung phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.